reacting on the controversy, the BJP has firmly thrown their weight again for the Prime Minister. They have intensified their attack on the opposition. In that, Union Minister Anurag Thakur has sharpened the attack, questioned why Congress leaders called Ram fictional. He further added that those who think they will run bulldozers over Ram Temple will have to go over the Ram Bhakts first. Listen in.
अरे जो लोग कहते हैं कि बुलडोजर चला देंगे, 500 साल तक हमारी कितनी पीढ़ियां आकर चली गई, हमने जोर जबरदस्ती नहीं की। हमने 125 साल मुकदमे लड़े कोर्ट में। कांग्रेस ने अपने वकील खड़ा कर दिए रामलला को मुकदमा हराने के लिए, लेकिन जीत रामलला की हुई। अरे बुलडोजर वालों जो सोचते हैं कि राम मंदिर पे बुलडोजर चलाओगे, पहले राम भक्तों के ऊपर से गुजरना पड़ेगा, तब जाके राम मंदिर तक पहुंच पाओगे।
With us, Isha, the INDI bloc claims that no such theory is there in their mind. When they will come to power, they'll bulldoze the Ram Mandir, but the BJP claims vice versa. They say that if they come to power, the Samajwadi Party, like the Samajwadi Party and the Congress, will overturn the Apex Court's verdict. They will run bulldozer, and the INDI bloc, which also called Ram fictional, is now getting touchy over the issue.
Right, yes, Aditi. In fact, Ramlala has been a point of contention when it comes to the Modi government and the India bloc, because to give our viewers a little bit more context, in the past there was a lot of back and forth happening, and the invitations that were also sent, and the leaders who did not attend the Ram Mandir inauguration, they were labelled as anti-Sanatan, anti-Ram. And now, when it comes to the Samajwadi Party and the Congress, they have made outwardly anti-Ram statements which have offended the sentiments of several Hindus across the country. So now for them to just, for Mallikarjun Kharge to come and say that there was none of an intention, it is indeed a clarification, but it is still not a justification for hurting the sentiments of multiple Hindus. That is what is coming out. But the fact that these statements were made cannot be taken back. But the India Alliance has not ever come in front or ever discussed the fact that it is even on their agenda to make the Ram Mandir fall down or to bulldoze it. So, in fact, the opposite India Alliance also slammed the Prime Minister for continuously raking it up instead of other issues like healthcare, environment, education. And just speaking about the Ram Mandir, in fact, the India Alliance has called the Prime Minister insecure in that way, that that all that he speaks about is Ram Mandir, and that is all that he thinks about. But the India Alliance has bigger plans. That is what the alliance has been stating. But some leaders sticking out like sore thumbs, making statements that do bite the India Alliance back in the block.